Hey guys, so it's Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. Here today we've had a customer bring in some truck panels which is off the fuel cover, and he's got some issues with them that we have to fix up. So we've got some cracks in the fiberglass that we have to fix up, and there's a bit here from an old repair where it doesn't line up with the other panels. So you can see here it's a bit short, so we're going to have to put a cut in that and open it up and get it sorted. So we'll get stuck into it, eh? Well, how good do these come up? Here we have the cracks they've been ground out and glassed up, and you can see underneath where they've strengthened it right up, so she's good to go back on the truck. They're ready to be prepped for paint, and happy days. So here we have the section that was all funky. Now it lines up perfectly with the other one, so that'll line up with the other panel, which will be great. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.